So the AI animation blueprint is literally exactly the same thing as the animation blueprint for the Archer character we created. The only difference is that we cannot copy paste it because it is targeted and connected to the actual character. So we're going to go ahead and redo everything we did for the animation blueprint for the Archer character. And as you can see, I'm doing the blend space for the movement, promoting it to a variable, direction, and speed. And then the transition, we are doing a greater than speed, a greater than 10 for speed. And then the other one, we're doing less than or equal to 10 for speed. And then now in the event graph of the animation blueprint, we're casting the mutant AI instead, but we're getting the same variables for this character: velocity and active rotation. We're going to calculate direction, plug these in, bada bing, bada boom. We're going to set the direction like before. And then don't forget to get the vector length squared. This is going to be for the movement, and we need that, or for the speed. All right. And now we got this all linked up.